welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see, we're in a little different location. We're in my dining room with my pretty Easter decorations because, yes, as you can see from the description below, it's been quite a few months since I've done this, but we have a Grove collaborative unboxing. Yay! I know I've said in the videos I have done in the past that I get very excited for cleaning products. Yes, I am that weirdo. But before we get into this, I just want to remind you guys, I do have a giveaway going on right now. Make sure to go check out the Disney Villains ColourPop video I did. The giveaway is in that video. And we just crossed over 1,900 subscribers, which means we are inching closer to 2,000. So once we hit that, we will have that super big giveaway. So yay! Thank you all so much for your support. It means the world to me. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and joining our YouTube family. Do all kinds of unboxings and reviews. It's always such a fun time. Make sure to give, if you know I can't talk sometimes, make sure you do give the video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And as always, please leave a comment below telling me about your day and what you think of the video. But let's get into it. So, Grove Collaborative, for those of you that do not know, is just awesome. But yes, it is cleaning products. They do have beauty products and, you know, body wash, shampoo, conditioner. They have just such a variety of products, but they are definitely more natural, and I love that. So you don't have to worry about like harsh chemicals or anything like that. Everything is just very eco-friendly and amazing and works wonderfully. Two of the brands that I absolutely love are the Mrs. Meyer's and Method. And I will put a link down below to their site. If you use that link, this is pretty awesome. This is actually how I found out about Grove. If you use the link that I put down below, it will get you, with your first $20 order, that will also include free shipping, a 5-piece free gift set. It is the Mrs. Meyer's gift set. I do believe it comes with like an all-purpose cleaner, a hand soap, a dish soap, 2 sponges, and the sponges are awesome, y'all. They are so awesome. Like, as far as a sponge can be, they're like up there. And I'm super actually jealous because they change it up periodically, but now one of the products that you also will receive is this really cool little like ceramic dish, and it comes with like a scrub brush, and you can like push up and down and it makes bubbles and you can scrub your dishes. So it is super cute, and I really do want to get my hands on one, so that may be in a future order. But that is what is in the free gift. If you sign up, like I said, it's a $20 order. You get that 5-piece free gift and free shipping. So that's awesome. And the Mrs. Meyer's spring scents are out. Y'all, they've got quite a variety. I will be honest, I already opened this box because I did want to try one of the products, which is one of the scents for the Mrs. Meyer's spring line. And I wanted to kind of see what I thought about it to let you guys know. So I'm going to go ahead and start showing you stuff. We will actually start with that item. It's kind of a big box, that's why we're in here. So, and it is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room Freshener. It is a non-aerosol and it is made with essential oils, and I chose mint. So it's not like a peppermint or a spearmint or anything like that. It's just a very fresh smell. And what I really like about it too is, obviously it's non-aerosol, but it literally is this fine mist, and it just immerses into the air, and that one pump, spray, whatever, will last for a while. And it's literally 1 to 2 pumps per room, and that's more than enough. And like I said, it lingers. It is not overpowering. It's just fresh and amazing. So this scent for me with the spring line is amazing. I know they have lilac, geranium, peony, I want to say lemongrass or lemon verbena. Like, they've got quite a few different scents. So whatever you're looking for, you like, they probably have something that you would enjoy. So that was one of the items I've never had before and I wanted to try, and I love it. So there was that. They do always include a little booklet here. This is talking about the spring 2019, and they do have some new products. They have, I want to see if that little scrubby thing is in here to show you guys, because it really is so cute. Yeah, they have toothpaste, the laundry detergent. They have reusable plastic bags, like sandwich baggies and stuff. I think that is awesome. One of the things too that I love is a multi-purpose cleaner. Is one of their concentrates, and y'all, it works so good. Like, it's amazing. Okay, so it's not in here. It's just showing different tips and things in there. But now I'm just going to show you guys what I got. It's nothing too exciting, to be honest. I mean, I'm honestly probably most excited about the room spray, but I got paper towels. Yay! I love these because they are 100% sustainable. If I can talk, sustainable bamboo and sugar cane. So every 50 rolls purchased equals 1 tree planted. So this gives back. This is actually the Grove brand. So this is a 2-pack. I honestly don't remember what it is. I ordered 3 of them because you can never have enough paper towels, especially when your husband likes to pull like 6 off of the roll for like a spill like this size. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not really. I'm not. Wasn't thinking about this Woo! When I decided I was gonna do this spur of the moment. I just actually really wanted to open the box, which I, like I said, I had already opened because I, like I said, wanted to try the room spray, but you know, things happen. So, and then this is one of the things I was telling you about. This is the all-purpose concentrate. Oh, we got a glare. There we go. And it is in the scent orange and rosemary. I was a little hesitant at first because I was like, rosemary, I don't know. But the combination of the two, it actually is a very refreshing smell. It smells fantastic in my opinion. And it's actually a 2-pack. So it comes with 2 of these little tubes. One of the things I actually received, like in my 5-piece gift set, was a glass bottle, spray bottle from Grove. And that's what I use. I put the whole tube, 1 whole tube in that bottle, fill the rest up with water, and there we go. So this is 2 bottles technically of all-purpose cleaner, and this is only like $4.99 or $5.99. So that's really, really a good deal. And like I said, it just smells really good. And then, and generally they do always have some kind of free gift even after you've signed up and done the 5-piece free gift. But this was actually the one for my order, and it is their Grove Collaborative brand. And it's a hand cream in bergamot orange. It says with moisturizing coconut and rose hip oil. Let's see. So we can always use hand creams. In all honesty, I may put this into a giveaway just because I have so many hand creams, but I may not. I don't know. So if you see this pop up, you know, I decided to share some Grove love with you guys. And then I ordered y'all know we all need toilet paper. So I ordered toilet paper. I actually ordered 2 of these. This is an 8-pack, so I ordered 16 rolls. They're jumbo rolls. It says that these 8 rolls are equal to 24 regular rolls. It's crazy because one pack says, you know, 8 rolls is equal to 24. Another says 8 rolls is equal to 32. 6 rolls is equal to 36. You never know with toilet paper, but it does last a while, and it's the same, the bamboo and sugar cane, you know, gives back to trees and all that good stuff. So I do enjoy this. Say enjoy if you can enjoy toilet paper. This is a good toilet paper. We'll put it that way. So like I said, I ordered 2 of them. And I believe, nope, okay, I was gonna say, I thought I had one more thing. Another brand, like I said, that I really enjoy aside from the Mrs. Meyer's is Method. And the thing is, you know, you can buy Method products and you can buy Mrs. Meyer's products like at Target and Walmart, different places, but they're actually cheaper at or through Grove. So, you know, why not save money, have it shipped to your door, get a free gift, like an awesome gift. I mean, you're getting cleaner, hand soap, dish soap, the super cool, like spongy ceramic dish thingy, or not sponge, but scrub brush, and then the 2-pack of these sponges. And you only have to spend 20 bucks and it's free shipping, plus the other stuff. It's awesome. And so anyway, it's a ramble. I get very excited about cleaning products, if you cannot tell. The other thing that I ordered was the Method Power Dishwasher Detergent Packs. I got the Lemon Mint scent. There are 20 of them in here. It says rinse 8 action, removes 48 hours stuck on food, and targets tough food stains. So yeah, some dishwasher tabs. So that was my Grove order. Like I said, I got, you know, 3 of the 2-packs, so 6 total paper towel rolls. I got 2 of the 8-packs of the toilet paper, so 16 rolls of toilet paper. We got the 2-pack of the concentrate, which is amazing. The dishwasher tablets, the hand cream, and like I said, my most favorite, the Mrs. Meyer's Mint, which is, like I said, one of their spring scents, room freshener. This stuff is just so awesome, y'all. I went around today and I was like, just so excited. So, like I said, I will leave that link down below if you choose to use it. Like I said, it will get you the 5-piece free gift, free shipping on a $20 order. So that is super awesome. And let me know what you think. Have you tried Grove before? If not, are you considering it? How was your day? All of that good stuff. So again, if you haven't already, please hit subscribe and do give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys more than you know. And I hope you all have a wonderful night. Bye.